Hello, I'm Mark from Sky Agriculture, and today I'm going to introduce to you the Progress drill. So we'll start underneath the drill to begin with. So we've got our HR190 power harrow here. Now all our power harrows are double skinned at the base. So we've got an 8mm base, double skins for longevity. This machine has a stone guard across the bottom, prevents stones getting stuck between the rotors. And of them rotors, we have 4 rotors a metre to give you a fine tilth and reduce the power required. What we can do with this model is we can take this power harrow out and we can put an XR cultivator in there, so you can have one drill to do min-till and conventional practices. Moving back on the drill, we've got a super nice platform around the machine, making it all easily accessible. Then for our metering unit in here, we don't have to change any splines, any rollers. We tell the terminal in the cab what we're seeding, what rate we want to seed, and then it gives us a ruler reading for down there. And all we do is press these buttons here to move that ruler. Once that's done, we hit the calibrate button and away we go. It is that simple to do our drills. Just pop this back up. Then the depth and pressure is easily set. So we've got a ratchet on each side to lift and lower the cultivar, which is on a parallelogram to keep it all level. And then we have press wheels on the back so we can adjust the depth and the pressure. 4 positions initially down here. 5th position, when it's really wet, we can take it off. So coulter wise, we can have a Suffolk coulter, a twin disc, or the Culti disc, and on the 3.5 and 4 metres we have the P30 disc that we can put on here. So a little bit about our Culti disc P100 that we have here. It was developed for the UK market for our challenging conditions, so we're confident this will go in some horrible conditions and some great conditions. So the reasons for that, down here we can see there's 56 centimetres from that coulter to that coulter. So that gets great trash flow throughout the drill and stops it from bunging up. Nice little touch as well is here. We have an exhaust so that the seed drops from there down, so we've not got any need to blow the seeds out, nothing to stop the seed from blowing out because it's not going to do it. Then at the back, just got a nice following harrow which is standard on this model to cover your seed and just give it a nice finish. With this machine we've got 3 tank sizes available. We've got a 1250 single hopper, 1750 single hopper, and then we can do a 1200 and an 800 litre split hopper. And as well, we can add a further hopper to the back of the machine here. The little hopper, which could be used for microgranular fert, it could be used for slug pellets. There's lots of options there. And then for the tram lining, we can have our E-drive on here. So the E-drive would allow you to shut any of the coulters off. You could have 1 in 2, 1 in 3, and it allows any tram lining rhythm. So you could be doing 24 metre tram lines in the morning and 30 in the afternoon, all just by telling the Isobus terminal.